up, you guys? It's your girl Larry B, and I'm back with another video. I'm whispering right now because it's late and my kid is asleep. But y'all, how old I look right now? All right, let me stop making my forehead be like that because you can see my lace. I gotta take the glue off right here. That's why I look ashy. But other than that, y'all, this wig, this lace, this everything is hitting. Oh my God, I forgot how good Ali Pearl hair was because listen, honey, it's giving. How old I look right now? I just know I look my age. Do I look 25 finally? I just feel like short black hair on me makes me look so mature. I love it. Like, I literally love it. Like, I love it, y'all. I love it. But y'all, I was sent a 16-inch 13x4 body wave 250 or 280 density frontal wig. And y'all, first of all, when I received this wig off rip, I already knew what I wanted to do. I'm like, this is 16 inches? Oh yeah, I'm doing a natural look. A natural, a natural calm side part. I already knew I was not doing no middle part. It had to be given side because it's 16 inches. Like, wait. And I did the no part. As you guys can see, I did no part. I don't know why this is separating right here though, but I did no part and no baby hair. You guys are gonna see in the video, I was kind of tempted with the baby hair because I'm like, I don't feel weird, but I need a little sun. Like, I feel like I need a little sun to spice it up. But I'm like, I don't want to mess up the mature look because with too much baby hair, if you know what I'm like. You guys gonna see, like, I tried to do something like, something calm right there. It looked calm. It looked good, but I couldn't get it on the other side. So I'm like, whatever, we ain't gonna do it. But y'all, this hair, if you ever had Ali Pearl hair, you know their hair is the bomb. Like, literally, the lace, so freaking thin. Where's my lace? Like, where is it? When I scrunch my head, it kind of look crazy, right? Nah, but y'all, lace, oh my God, invisible is like, the lace is so thin. I love it. The only thing, and you guys are gonna see me, I left it in the video because you know what? Everybody's not perfect. Like in this video, you guys are gonna see me struggle. Yes, and I left it in there. This wig was a little bit small for my head. That's why I had to end up leaving like lace on the side. I ended up leaving extra lace on the side, but it kind of still looks good though. Like, it still doesn't take away from the look. I was kind of bummed out a little bit because I'm like, dang. Whenever I feel like I got a vision in my mind, the wig never ever comes out the way I want. So I kind of got irritated in the video, and you guys gonna see that. But I'm glad I stick to the plan, baby, and trusted the process. The vision came through. The vision came to life. Like, I love it. I love this hair. Ali Pearl, y'all know what y'all doing. Like, y'all hair is bomb. You guys know. Like, if you ever had Ali Pearl hair, y'all, the hair is bomb. Like, Ali Pearl never disappointed. Never, ever disappointed. I'm about to go apply for a job just because, like, this hair is just giving pantsuit, white blouse button down with some black slacks or black skirt, pencil skirt. Like, this hair is giving professional. Like, nah, this hair is that giving businesswoman. Like, enough talking. Let's get into how I did this hair. So if you guys are interested on how I got this look, if you guys are interested in this wig, the same exact wig, the link will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And like I said, if you're interested on how I got this look, continue watching. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.